Right. So guys, this is the vlog for trade recap on Nasdaq. The trade we took on Friday. So now the trade we took on Friday was a loss ish because we took a loss on Nasdaq, but we had a nice setup on S&P 500. So now there's something I realized for us East African traders. There is something I want you to guys to look at these two lows here. Look at this and this. Can you imagine this low? This one didn't meet this one. Now that was this candle is just is Friday's price action. So now I want you guys to watch this other chart. So this is the CFD of the Nasdaq. Now this is the futures contract. Look at what this thing did here and here. This on this chart, this low met this low. Bruh, this was so stupid. So remember for us here in East Africa, we trade with the we can't access the futures market. So we trade the CFD, the NAS 100. So I was on the 1 minute, Jesus Christ. I was on the 1 minute looking at that thing. I was on the 1 minute looking at that candle, hoping for what? A tap in, bro. Nothing, nothing. So let's take a look at that. So this is that. This is the low right here. This low. That low right there is the low that fucked us up, bro. So I was anticipating a break, a break. I mean a sweep down there, and then one of these things to happen. Break that low, and then I take a trade on this fair value gap. This is a fair value gap right there. But bruh, I even hesitated to enter the trade because I anticipated, bruh, we haven't taken out what? The liquidity. This was the trade of the day, bro. We hadn't taken out liquidity yet. So I was like, anyways, it is what it is. So yeah, that's what we did on Nasdaq. So I had taken initially, wanted to take a sell. So when this one failed, I had a limit order here to take a sale. Actually, let me just put on the execution marks. So execution marks. Oh, holy Christ! Where is the? So we took a sale here, but wait, later on got stopped out right there, which was sick, so sick. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. We had a very nice week. We had, I think our win rate was about was I think we had a win rate of 60%. We won most of our trades, and yeah, this sale was supposed to come and mitigate this fair value gap. Apparently, it didn't, and it got stopped out at break even right there. Not at break even, at the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. But yeah, I mean, who are we? We're not the market makers, anyways. So yeah, let's continue pushing hard. Looking the fucking about to drop the. I'm about to work my weekly forecast. But anyways, this week emotions were in check. Uh, we didn't do a lot of mistakes like the previous weeks. Yeah, you can go through my YouTube channel and see the trades we took on specifically Nasdaq. Yep, that is it for today, I guess. See you all Monday's price action. Peace.